Hi everyone, it's Marissa aka CelesteOrchid, and today we will be working with a different pattern, and the pattern of choice is Burda style 6709. This style is corset based and it looks really comfortable, and I'm going to be doing this one in the middle here. This is actually letter C. This one's B and then this is A. A is just a really easier version of C. It's strapless. B has like the crisscross eyelets. We will not be doing that. No, we will be making C because I will be using this in a dress. So instead of just making it into a top, I will be attaching a skirt to it. The materials I will be needing is fabric, lining, and zippers and interfacing. So let's get started. So of course, first things first, we want to open up our pattern and double check our sizes. It's sizes 8 through 20 for US. My size is number 8, so the smallest size that is available on this pattern. So let's see what we got. Here are the instruction manual. It also is in Spanish and French. It says so right there, so it's translated appropriately. For numbers C, I will need numbers 16, 17, 18, 15, 14, 13, and 19. It couldn't just say 13 through 19, could it? It's really great. The instructions that I'll need are actually up to the last page here. So these are the papers, instructions telling me how to do this. And now we will just unfold it and then cut it out. I do want to use this pattern again in the future, so obviously I will cut out every piece to what it needs to be, size number 8, which is the smallest size. So obviously cut it to the smallest size, and that is how you read your pattern. Now why I chose this one is because I really wanted to work out a new type of corset top. A lot of my dresses are strapless, and I thought it would be a different change of pace. Oh. Looks like they just add this to the front. Interesting. Alrighty. Well, let's go ahead and get this cutting.